In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the message board in Basecamp. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to use the message board effectively can streamline your project management tasks and improve team communication. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Basecamp's website by typing basecamp.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to your main dashboard, where you can see all your active projects. Next, from your list of projects, select the one you want to work on. Simply click on the project name, and this will take you to the project's main page. Basecamp organizes everything related to a project in one place, making it easy to access the tools you need. Once you're on the project page, look for the Message Board tab. This is where all your project messages and discussions are housed. Click on Message Board to open it. The Message Board is a crucial feature in Basecamp that lets you share updates, ask questions, and discuss ideas with your team in a structured way. Now, let's talk about filtering messages. Basecamp provides a handy filtering option right at the top of the message board. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to locate a specific message or if you want to view messages related to a particular topic. By clicking on the filter option, you can sort messages by different categories, such as recent activity, by person, or by keywords, making it easier to find what you're looking for. If you want to create a new message, look for the New Message button, which is typically located at the top right or center of the message board page. Clicking on this will open up a new message form where you can start composing your message. This is your chance to communicate important updates or initiate discussions. Begin by entering a title for your message. A clear, concise title helps your team quickly understand the subject of the message. Once you have your title, move on to the message body. This is where you can elaborate on your topic, provide detailed information, or pose questions to your team. Feel free to be as detailed as necessary. Clarity is key in effective communication. As you're drafting your message, you have two options at the bottom of the message form. Save a draft or post this message. If you're not quite ready to share your message with the team, you can save it as a draft. This allows you to revisit and edit it later. However, if you're ready to share, click Post this message. This will publish your message to the message board, making it visible to all team members associated with the project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the message board in Basecamp, filtered messages to find exactly what you need, and created and posted a new message for your team. Mastering these basic functions can significantly boost your productivity and ensure everyone on your team stays informed and engaged. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on project management tools and tips. Have a great day.